The National Weather Service in Riverton, Wyoming has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for the following counties: Bighorn County in north-central Wyoming, and Washoukoton County in northwestern Wyoming until 4:50 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 4:19 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms, capable of producing penny-sized hail and damaging wind gusts up to 65 miles per hour. Some of these storms were also detected to have strong rotation capable of producing tornadoes. These storms were located 11 miles of Cheyenne and 20 staggered miles of Anderson, moving north at 66 miles per hour. Locations of these severe thunderstorms include Cheyenne, around 5:19 p.m., Riverton, around 5:50 p.m., Washoukoton, around 6:19 p.m. Spotters in these areas should observe weather conditions in case if severe weather worsens. People in these areas are strongly advised to stay indoors and stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, cable, IPTV, broadband and other media outlets for further information.
Or whatever we are, I don't know. You're taking it too literally. Or not literally enough? I'm just saying, I expected